Ho, 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 ho!
Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today, oh, that was cute. Today's Monday. I'm going to get a Christmas tree and some decorations. So we're gonna head to IKEA and then a store called Daiso to do that. It is also UAE National Day. A lot of people travel during this weekend, so I'm hoping that the traffic won't be too bad. I really do want to go out and see some of the fireworks, but the traffic, baby, we gonna see. I do believe they're showing like a clip of it online as well, so we might have to tap into that. But anyways, that's the plan for today. Get a Christmas tree, decorations, and edit some more videos. And I need some meal prep also. So hopefully this meat defrost. I forgot to take it out. Alright, I've made it to the mall, to IKEA. The cute decorations for National Day. I have not been to this mall. It's everything in here. It's a carnivore in here. I'm gonna get into it, honey. Okay, I got the tree, but I also need plates and silverware. The school gives you like a small amount, and it's just me, so I've been surviving. But on the days I don't feel like doing those dishes, we need some more plates. So let's see what we can get into. And they're having a lot of deals because of the holiday, so that's also nice. So let's see what we can get into. Because of course I'm not trying to spend a crazy amount of money, but this has been on my list, is to like get more things for the kitchen slowly but surely. So I'm gonna get this set. I originally picked up 4 plates and 4 bowls, and that was already gonna be $100, so this is $159. You still get 4 plates, 4 bowls, and you get the tiny ones also. And then I just got extra silverware in there. Extra silverware in there. I kind of want to look at lunchbox, like the glass ones, because I usually take like a huge meal prep, and lately I've been into taking like really big, massive salads. So I need like big hefty containers. So we'll see. So I dropped this stuff off in my car, and then I pulled up to Daiso. And you can typically find like, it's like the dollar store on crack. And we have so many things. So we're gonna get our decor in here. Do I need a Christmas vlog? We have finished all of our, thank you.
Just 1 minute, you will have put it on.
Thank you. Finished Christmas shopping. I got the tree and the decorations. And then someplace I haven't been in a long time is Cheesecake Factory. And there's one in here. This thing is packed. So I decided to come here and treat myself. And actually, funny story, or full circle, I guess. When I first moved to Kuwait, that's when I first started taking like solo days by myself. And there was a Cheesecake Factory literally of the apartments we used to live in, and I used to just walk myself down there, have like a little meal, and then walk back home. And I was like, this is nice. I like spending time by myself. This is lovely. So it's funny that this is the first place that I did that, and here we are again. So I got me a little passion fruit mojito. Let's see if that's hitting. Oh, it is. Don't even need no liquor. Alright, we got what we needed to. We were on our way home. I came back to the car. This is why you gotta trust your intuition, because I said, okay, let me just get my laptop, because I had taken it out because I didn't want to carry it around in the bag because I didn't want it to be heavy, knowing that I would have a cart, which doesn't make sense. So I left it in the car. After I ate, I was like, okay, I'll go get my laptop, drop the bag off, find a coffee shop to work, and then look at the the fireworks because this mall is having fireworks. Why did I try to walk around my car and there's a nail sticking out and rip my pants? So now I have to go home because I cannot walk around. Look at this. And these are one of my favorite pair of comfy pants. I'm so upset. So what I'm gonna do, we have a coffee shop, a couple coffee shops in the complex. So I'm just going to go down here and work because I need to edit the vlogs and send out the Teach Travel Thrive newsletter. But yeah, I'm a little bit agitated that I have a hole in the side of my pants. Other than that, the food was good. I got a Christmas tree. I decided last minute to do, my colors are like pink and silver. I don't know, maybe because I just saw Wicked and like everybody else in the world, I'm obsessed with it because it's giving a wicked Christmas, honey. So there's that. So I will be putting the Christmas tree up, probably not tonight because I need to focus. But yeah, other than that, we Gucci, besides the hole in my pants. Okay, we are back. Y'all, one thing about driving in Dubai is like, you gotta be aggressive. And I'm not an aggressive driver. Like, first of all, let's start with the fact that I did not get my license until after I came back home from Kuwait. So I was like 26. Don't ask. So I'm already not an aggressive driver. But like, baby, here you gotta be aggressive, be aggressive, seriously. And if you don't make that, if you miss a turn, go ahead and add 15 to 20 minutes to your trip, Boki. Go ahead and do it because you're not getting back around. So any hoosies, we're home. The meat did mostly defrost, so we're gonna put that in the fridge. I'm making meal prepping, so far away. Barbecue chicken salad this week for lunch, and then salmon and veggies and rice. But do I even have rice? Do I even have rice? And my ripped up pants. I'm so agitated about that. Like, for real. Okay, I do have rice. Like, what? And I'm pretty sure the nail scratched me. Like, do I need a tetanus shot? Like, yeah. Anyways, so let me show y'all what I got. It's kind of dark in here. Should I brighten it up? Okay, right now my friend is trying to set me up on a blind date. So I'm like looking at his messages. Because I'm not, let me tell you something, I'm not getting back on the apps. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
Needs to be. Okay? I reckon you're one of those things literally, you can see a photo of you upside down, dragged through a hedge. Maybe don't do that. But, yeah, you'll be fine.
Okay, this is the girlies call a haul. Let's do an IKEA haul. You guys saw the plates. I showed you the plates, the set. So I think it's cute. I had a bunch of black bowls like these at home in the States, and I always like them because I got a lot of my stuff from the thrift store. There is a thrift store here. Thrifting is not as popular and not as accessible here, which I think there are like organizations and people who are working on that, or else I would have thrifted stuff because thrift stores at home, baby. And I didn't even get into thrifting until like the last 3 years, and I was like, oh, this eats. This eats. Anyways, plate set, feeling like a grown up. And of course, my weekly flowers. I've been struggling because in Qatar, y'all, I literally had my flower guy. I would go to the mall because the grocery store, Carrefour, was in there. I would stop by and be like, hey, I want $65 worth of a bouquet, and he would hook me up with the most beautiful bouquets that I never had to like, he knew what I liked, right? I never had to like question it. But here I haven't found like a store or a flower shop that I really like. So I did see these in IKEA. I went ahead and got them. Aren't they gorgeous? If you don't already, you should get yourself flowers every week. Typically I do it on Sunday when I do my Sunday steak, but because I had everything here, I didn't leave the house yesterday. So those need to get in some water. Now, the Christmas tree, y'all saw saw that. It's 210 centimeters. I don't know how many feet that is. Anyway, it's big. I think I'm gonna put it over there in the corner. I think that's the perfect spot for it. So cute. I'm not gonna put this up today. So it'll have to wait because I'm not in the mood to do it. And let's look at our decoration. Okay, I got, this is also from IKEA. Gingerbread house. Gingerbread house. I thought this could go up taller, but I guess not. Guess we're stuck where we are. Okay, this one is one big gingerbread house, which I'm probably gonna go get like some M&Ms or peppermints or something. And then I got this one too. I thought this is so cute. It's a bunch of little mini houses. So I guess it's 3 mini houses. Yeah, which I thought was so cute. So one of these I'll do with my friend and her kids, and the other one I will do here with some wine and a charcuterie board, because that sounds like a good time to me. Okay, we are doing pink and silver decoration. This is the fun part about being a grown-up, because like, I know what I want to do. If I want to have a pink and silver Christmas tree, well babe, that's what I'm gonna get. So maybe because I just saw Wicked. If you have not seen Wicked, I saw it when it came out, like the day of, and it was so good. So I have these also. This all came from Daiso. And then a sparkly Christmas hat. And I think this is so cute, like to hang on the door. It says Merry Christmas. Please get maybe I'll hang it above the TV. I don't know yet. Super cute. I needed some towels, so just some body towels. I don't have a potato masher. I need that. And then I didn't know how big these would be, so I got 2 of the cluster lights and some fake snow. I'm gonna decorate the top of that big, like not dresser thing, but TV stand. So I got some fake snow. I couldn't find a tree skirt that I thought would be cute to go with the pink and silver. So, and then we've got some snowflakes. What do I sing everything? Because it's the holidays. And then these, I thought these were so cute. It's like a little tea light, nightlight that I'm gonna also put on the TV stand. Okay, what else is in here? I don't even know. I was just throwing stuff in here. Okay, this is also for the TV stand. And then silverware, because like I said, the school does give you like the basics, but I'm one person, but I be cooking and I be eating, so I'm tired, boss, of rewashing those things. Rewashing my forks and spoons all the time. So that is it. That is all that is in there. I'm going to go downstairs and get us an iced Spanish latte. And I'm gonna come back up here and finish editing and work on the Teach Travel Thrive newsletter. If you are not subscribed to the Teach Travel Thrive newsletter, subscribe ASAP like Rocky. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Remember, I'm giving away 4 prizes. I've already seen some people signing up for the giveaway, which makes me so excited. I'm giving away 2 of my ebooks about teaching abroad in Kuwait and Qatar. I'm giving away $50, and I'm giving a free ticket away to my Teach Abroad workshop that I'm hosting online January 12th. It's not even released to the public yet, y'all, so you are going to be getting the first ticket that's going to be going out if you enter. All you have to do is enter your email. I'll put the link in the description box, and that will automatically enter you into the giveaway. So that is that. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm feeling very Christmassy. I'm feeling very in the spirit. St. Nicholas is here, honey. I'm just gonna put these over here. And then, yeah. Just gonna move these over. I just think these are so cute, right? Like, I think that's gonna look so cute on the Christmas tree. So cute. And I do like the look of those Christmas trees that be like really full. I don't know if I necessarily need to have that, but I do like the way that those look. But we'll see how full this gets because it is a big tree. I did get a big mama, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm so excited to decorate my tree, which I'll probably do tomorrow before school starts back up because we are done with the brickety break.